Out of the woods. It means no longer in trouble. For example, she's better now, but not fully out of the woods. Keep the wolf from the door. It means avoid starvation. For example, his small job helps him keep the wolf from the door. To take French leave. It means leave without any intimation. For example, he took French leave from the office yesterday. Cut and dried. It means already decided. For example, rules in our organization are cut and dried, so everybody is expected to follow them. To throw a fit. It means to become very angry. For example, don't throw a fit over small mistakes. Make off with. It means to escape with something stolen. For example, robbers made off with the cash from the bank. To paddle one's own canoe. It means to paddle one's own canoe. For example, after college, he learned to paddle his own canoe. Finger in every pie. It means to be involved in many activities. For example, he has a finger in every pie, from sports to politics. Over one's head. It means too difficult to understand. For example, physics is completely over her head. A 9 days wonder. It means a short-lived sensation. For example, the new gadget turned out to be a 9 days wonder. Rose-colored glasses. It means a positive outlook on life. For example, she views her childhood through rose-colored glasses. Get a gold star. It means to be praised for good work. For example, he deserves to get a gold star for honesty. The whole 9 yards. It means everything possible or the full extent. For example, she went the whole 9 yards to plan the party. To pigeonhole. It means to typecast someone. For example, the manager doesn't like to pigeonhole his employees. A needle in a haystack. It means something very hard to find. For example, looking for him in a big crowd is like a needle in a haystack. Grin from ear to ear. It means to smile very happily. For example, she was grinning from ear to ear after winning the prize. Once bitten, twice shy. It means to be careful after a bad experience. For example, after a failed relationship, he's once bitten, twice shy. Kick up a row. It means to start a fight or argument. For example, the crowd kicked up a row over ticket prices. The crux of the matter. It means the critical point. For example, the crux of the matter is that both sides should understand each other's feelings. Bite off more than one can chew. It means to take on too much work. For example, students often bite off more than they can chew during exams. Jump on the bandwagon. It means to support something popular. For example, many people jumped on the bandwagon of online business. Go off at a tangent. It means to suddenly change the subject. For example, the teacher went off at a tangent while explaining history. Look before you leap. It means to think before taking action. For example, students should look before they leap into careers. Rub the wrong way. It means to annoy or irritate someone. For example, she always rubs her boss the wrong way with silly jokes. Look before you leap. It means to think carefully before acting. For example, always look before you leap when trusting strangers. Come hell or high water. It means to succeed no matter what happens. For example, she promised to be there, come hell or high water. To fall on deaf ears. It means to be ignored or not listened to. For example, my request for help fell on deaf ears. Be behind the times. It means to be old-fashioned or not modern. For example, my grandfather is behind the times with technology. Back in saddle. It means to return to work after a break. For example, she's back in the saddle with her fitness routine. Take one's hat off to someone. It means show admiration. She stayed home because she was under the weather.